Hello folks, Dan here from h2x and I'm here with Andrew from Viessmann. Now I just wanted to ask, when it comes to heat pump installation, what are the do's and don'ts? What's the best way to get the bang for your buck?
So the majority will be down to your original heat loss, so it's where things like h2x come into their own, because you can design that system to give you the peak input.
In terms of designing these installations, just how impactful is h2x?
Oh, it's brilliant for us. We've used it for the past year now. It's really good for an end user or a customer to see why things have got to be this way, why it's got to be designed like that. Helps us work out exactly what heat pump we need to fit for that job. Helps explain that to everybody. Besides the radiators again, which is the big factor, you can design your underfloor loops on it and things like that. It's just a really good selling tool to give to the end user.
Amazing, man, and obviously after using h2x for a year, would you recommend it?
Oh, big time, yeah, it's very useful. It's been really good for us. It is a really good impactful tool.
Amazing. Thank you very much, man.
No problems.